Making your own vitamin C serum at home can be a fun and rewarding project. It allows you to control the ingredients and ensures you are using fresh, potent products for your skin. Many commercial serums can be expensive and filled with unnecessary chemicals. By making it yourself, you can avoid these issues and customize the serum to fit your skin's unique needs. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of making your own vitamin C serum. We will cover everything from the benefits of vitamin C for your skin to the ingredients you need and the steps to take. Let's get started on this exciting DIY project. Vitamin C is essential for maintaining healthy skin. It helps to brighten the complexion and reduce the appearance of dark spots. This nutrient also promotes collagen production, which is important for keeping the skin firm and youthful. Collagen is a protein that provides structure to the skin, and its production decreases as we age. Another benefit of vitamin C is its ability to protect the skin from sun damage. While it is not a substitute for sunscreen, it can enhance the effectiveness of your sun protection routine. The antioxidant properties of vitamin C neutralize free radicals generated by UV exposure, reducing the risk of sunburn and long-term damage. Vitamin C also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to soothe irritated skin. If you suffer from conditions like acne or rosacea, incorporating vitamin C into your skincare routine can help to calm redness and swelling. With so many benefits, it's clear why vitamin C is a popular ingredient in skincare products. To make your own vitamin C serum at home, you will need a few key ingredients. These can be easily sourced from health stores or online retailers. Here is a list of what you will need. 1. Vitamin C powder. Look for pure L-ascorbic acid powder, which is the most effective form of vitamin C for skincare. 2. Distilled water. This is used to dissolve the vitamin C powder. 3. Vegetable glycerin. This acts as a moisturizing agent and helps to keep the skin hydrated. 4. A small dark glass bottle. Vitamin C is sensitive to light and air, so it is important to store your serum in a dark glass bottle to maintain its potency. These ingredients are all you need to create a simple and effective vitamin C serum. Making your own vitamin C serum is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to create a potent and effective skincare product. 1. Start by sterilizing your glass bottle and any utensils you will be using. This can be done by boiling them in water for a few minutes or wiping them down with rubbing alcohol. 2. Measure out 1 teaspoon of vitamin C powder and place it into a clean bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of distilled water to the powder and stir until it is fully dissolved. 3. Next, add 1 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin to the vitamin C solution. Stir well to combine all the ingredients. 4. Use a small funnel to pour the serum into your sterilized dark glass bottle. Seal the bottle tightly and store it in a cool, dark place. Your serum is now ready to use. It is best to make small batches and use them within a few weeks. Making your own vitamin C serum at home is not only effective, but also cost-efficient. Commercial vitamin C serums can be quite expensive, often ranging from $20 to $100 or more. By making your own, you can save a significant amount of money while still enjoying the benefits of a high-quality product. One of the reasons why DIY vitamin C serum is so effective is because you can control the concentration of the active ingredient. Many commercial products contain lower concentrations of vitamin C to extend their shelf life. By making your own serum, you can use a higher concentration of fresh vitamin C, which can provide more noticeable results. Another advantage of making your own serum is that you can avoid unnecessary additives and preservatives. Many commercial products contain fillers and chemicals that can irritate the skin or cause allergic reactions. By using pure and simple ingredients, you can create a product that is gentle and suitable for sensitive skin. The process of making your own serum can be a fun and empowering experience. While making your own vitamin C serum is simple, it is important to follow some safety tips to ensure the best results. Here are some guidelines to keep in mind. 1. Always perform a patch test before using the serum on your face. Apply a small amount to the inside of your wrist and wait 24 hours to see if there is any reaction. 2. Store your serum in a cool, dark place to prevent oxidation. Vitamin C is sensitive to light and air, which can reduce its effectiveness. Using a dark glass bottle and keeping it in a refrigerator can help to extend the shelf life of your serum. 3. Use the serum within a few weeks of making it. Fresh vitamin C is more potent, but it can degrade over time. 4. Be cautious when using vitamin C serum in combination with other active ingredients. Some ingredients, like retinol or benzoyl peroxide, can interact with vitamin C and reduce its effectiveness. By following these safety tips, you can ensure that your DIY vitamin C serum is both effective and safe to use. In this guide, we have explored the process of making your own vitamin C serum at home. We started by discussing the benefits of vitamin C for skin health, including its ability to brighten the complexion, protect against sun damage, and promote collagen production. We then listed the ingredients needed to make the serum, including vitamin C powder, distilled water, vegetable glycerin, and a dark glass bottle. The step-by-step guide provided clear instructions on how to prepare the serum at home. We also explained why this DIY approach is both effective and cost-efficient, allowing you to save money while avoiding unnecessary additives and preservatives. Finally, we offered safety tips for using and storing the serum. These guidelines help to ensure that your homemade product is both safe and effective. By taking these precautions, you can enjoy the benefits of vitamin C without any potential risks. The benefits of making your own vitamin C serum are numerous. Firstly, it allows you to control the quality and concentration of the ingredients. This ensures that you are using a potent and effective product that is tailored to your skin's needs. Fresh vitamin C is more effective than many commercial products, which often contain lower concentrations to extend their shelf life. Secondly, making your own serum is cost-efficient. The ingredients are inexpensive and can be sourced easily, making it a budget-friendly option for anyone looking to improve their skincare routine. By avoiding the high costs of commercial products, you can save money while still enjoying the benefits of a high-quality serum. Thirdly, the DIY approach allows you to avoid unnecessary additives and preservatives. Many commercial products contain chemicals that can irritate the skin or cause allergic reactions. By using pure and simple ingredients, you can create a gentle and effective product that is suitable for sensitive skin. In conclusion, making your own vitamin C serum at home is a simple and effective way to enhance your skincare routine. The benefits of vitamin C for skin health are well documented, and by creating your own serum, you can ensure that you are using a fresh and potent product. The ingredients are inexpensive and easy to source, making this a cost-efficient option for anyone looking to improve their skin. The step-by-step guide provided in this essay offers clear instructions on how to prepare the serum at home. By following these steps and taking the necessary safety precautions, you can create a product that is both effective and safe to use. The DIY approach allows you to control the quality and concentration of the ingredients, avoid unnecessary additives, and save money. Overall, making your own vitamin C serum is a fun and rewarding project that can provide numerous benefits for your skin. Give it a try and enjoy the benefits of a fresh and customized skincare product.